Hey everyone, it's Eric with All Pro Trailer Superstore. Today we're taking a look at this ATC 8.5x24 aluminum enclosed car trailer. This is the Rome 500. Comes with the black trim package, and you'll see more on the inside, but it also has the deluxe package. All right, this unit's going to come with a side door step, aluminum wheels, torsion axles. Also has two scene lights on the passenger side here. So this unit comes with upper and lower cabinets, breaker box up top here. Also comes with a 60 amp converter, battery down below here. So all the LED lights, loading lights, scene lights, interior lights, they'll all run off the battery. And this unit also comes pre-wired for AC. Just simply pop out the roof vent, drop your AC unit in, and tap into the existing breaker box. Nice feature of the deluxe package, comes with the insulated walls and ceiling. Also comes with a carpet on the walls, so it'll protect your car doors as you're opening them up. This unit also comes with the premium style escape door. As you can see here, the whole side opens up, creating plenty of room to open up your car door. And even for lower, wider cars, fender is removable. You also have a step. So as you can see, you don't have to worry about the fender well when you're opening up your car door, just the tires. For a full listing of this trailer and hundreds more, please visit our website, trailersuperstore.com. Until next time.